So good news. I don't know why I closed that. I listened to the ride here, and it sounded good the whole way through. I think all the little bits I skipped to and stuff like that sound good. So I think we're good, which is nice to hear. So now I head back for the night before it gets dark. That's an opossum. You can tell by the tail.
I have to borderline ride on the yellow line on the side of the road because look how bad that is. I'm not sure if it'll show up on camera too well, but that's horrible. I'm a little dehydrated. But I also think I said enough last video to make myself be like, alright, I'm done talking. I don't know what to say. It's always kind of funny to when people are driving their cars, see them stick their hand out the window and go like this and stuff in the wind, because you know what they're trying to do and that feeling they're trying to get, but you're in a car, so you might get a new ice cream shop. I might have to try that. You might get a little taste of it, but it's never gonna come close to this when it's your whole body is feeling that breeze, and it's awesome, that freedom. So if you're someone that only has cars and you go like this all the time out the window, just try it. Just get a bike if you can. Get a bike, just give it a try. You're gonna love it. So I think maybe next ride, if it's not next ride, probably the ride after that, I'll probably take this road down here. I've done a couple of videos down that way. It's kind of a nice little back road. It's got some twisty parts to it, but it's nice and quiet back there. Decent amount of woods. Little penis. But it's a nice little break from shitbags like that. So I can't help it. I mean, I can. That's why I'm not already past him, but I hope I got it on camera. He was driving on solid yellow lines, the horizontal ones, just to get around me. He used the turning lane and shit. I would have loved to see him get pulled over. That would have felt so good. Sorry, that just kind of killed the mood. Pisses me off. Because people will see stuff like that online and say if I were to post a short of that, I bet you I'll get blamed. People will be like, oh, you're on a sport bike and you're being sensitive, you guys do it all the time, all that stuff. No, I don't. Show me a video of me illegally passing people going that fast. No, I don't do that. Are there bikers that do? Absolutely. But you can't throw us all in the same category. But if I were to post that, people are gonna be like, oh, well, why are you crying? You do it, shit like that. Oh, he didn't even come close to you. Everything else. And it's very annoying. But if somebody on a bike was doing that, they're like, oh, shocker, usual suspect. I hope he turns into a blood stain. People say stuff like that all the time. Can't wait till he gets scraped off the road. These are all actual comments I've read. It's, I don't know, it's disgusting that the stuff people say about bikers. They probably had a girlfriend taken by one or lost a race, something like that. Can't afford a bike, I don't know. Some reason. They're insecure about themselves, something. I don't know. There's something causing them to hate bikers that much. And it's constant. It just gets old. And I could have caught up with that guy. I could have passed him, I could have gone in front of him, I could have followed him, whatever. Rode next to him and told him he has a little dick for driving like that. But what's that going to get me? What's that going to do? That's just going to possibly escalate the situation further. Now he might try to run me over or something because he's in a big truck and I'm just on a bike. Or he could pull a gun, something like that. You never know. But like, the answer is not anything good. It's not going to do any good. It's not going to get him to slow down. He's not going to be a safer driver because I told him not to drive like that. Like, it's not going to do anything. That guy in the Camaro just gave me a thumbs up. I appreciate that, bro. I like your car as well. But like, reacting to asshole drivers like in that situation is just not going to do anything. It's not going to do any good. So, do I hate what he was doing? Absolutely. Am I going to do anything about it? Nah. I'm going to let him pass, give him a piece of my mind while he's passing me, and that's it. It's really all you can do. I mean, it's not all you can do. You can do more. Like I said, I could have chased him down. It's all you should do. Which is weird coming from me because I am not like all violence is never the answer. I don't agree with that. There are, in my mind, there are absolutely times it's the answer. But that's not one of them. That's the two sides of riding, I think, kind of, in a way. So like, you see how on my ride down to the lake, I was very happy. I was in a good mood because like, oh yeah, summer's back. This is nice. It's really fun to be out on the road again. And then on the way home, I have a guy driving like that. This kind of completely changes the mood because that's part of bike life, is doing stuff like that. But that's also part of just being on the road in general. Because like, you see stuff like that in your car all the time too. It's just annoying. You just gotta learn to like kind of just shrug that stuff off. What's up, kid? Why are you running with your mouth open? You're gonna catch a bunch of bugs. I'm just glad that from what I saw, nobody was hurt by dumbass in the truck, so hopefully it stays that way. When I was bringing back the Ninja 500 from inspection, one of the close calls I said, there's a lady sitting right there at that stop sign, and there was a car in front of me. As soon as the car in front of me passed her, she just went for it, right from that stop. I had to slam my brakes, and when I revved it at her, I don't think she even noticed, because she was older, and older people tend to be oblivious while they're driving. But I was not too thrilled about that. This road is actually smooth. It's nice. It's just a short little section of it, but it's nice. I wish it felt like this more often. That's what she said, but not much I can do about that. Staring, so gave him a little rev. I think I've talked enough in this one. I feel like I've talked quite a lot actually, so I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Feels good to be back out on the road, enjoying the weather. You have a good rest of your day or night, whatever it may be for you, and I'll see you next time.